What did I make this time? Smell it. Welcome to this video. My name is Nate. I just finished my 13th week of being on my carnivore journey. At one point in my life, I was 340 pounds. I'm now in the 220s. I did not lose all that weight on carnivore. I lost the majority of it on a low-carb diet. But since starting carnivore, the benefits I feel just are incredible, and it makes me want to continue doing just carnivore. So again, I just finished week 13. I have not cheated once. I haven't done any cheating. I've steadily each week been losing a pound, 3 pounds, 0 pounds, gained 1 pound, different weeks, different weights. Actually, I'll give you my results right now. My results from this past week, I lost 0 pounds. I'm okay with that because I'm still feeling really good. That's 0 pounds on not cheating, but again, I'm in week 13. The longer you go, it is harder to lose weight. I could be gaining more muscle each week if I don't lose anything. I could be retaining a little bit of water because I'm drinking a ton of water. That's all I'm drinking right now. And I am taking in a lot of salt, so that could help me retain some water. But again, I'm not so much focused on how much weight I'm losing. I'm more focused on how good I'm feeling, how my blood pressure has been lowered. I'm about to do my blood work pretty soon. So many benefits just encourage me to keep going. In today's video, I want to show you how I make a meaty, cheesy carnivore casserole. It is delicious. It is super easy to make, and I want to share it with you guys because I'm going to do some meal prepping with it for this week. Let's cover all the ingredients I'm going to use today. So my meat, you can really use whatever meat you want. Some people might add chicken. You could do different type of sausage, whatever. I'm using a pound of ground beef, 80-20. I'm using a pound of regular sausage. I'm using a pound of kielbasa, one of my favorite sausages. I'm using cheddar cheese. I'm using mozzarella, salt, pepper, and bacon pieces. You can also use regular bacon if you want to and just dice it up. And I'm doing a block and a half of cream cheese. First thing first, we're going to get the burner going, and we're going to cook up the meat. While that's getting started, I'm going to go ahead and dice up the kielbasa. Since most of the ingredients already have seasoning, I'm not going to add too much more, but I am going to add some Redmond's salt and some pepper. As that's all cooking, I'm going to add my diced kielbasa. The kielbasa is already cooked, so I'm just reheating it with the meat. I'm about to take this off the heat and drain it, and I'm also going to put my oven on 375 and let it preheat. The meat's been drained. I'm going to add cream cheese, block and a half. Also going to add in my yellow cheese, 1 cup of yellow freshly shredded, and 1 cup of mozzarella. I'm going to stir all that in, let it melt down. Once it's done, this is what it'll look like. Yes, a meaty, cheesy dream. Next, you get your casserole dish and you butter it really well. You dump all this goodness in there. Spread it out. Once that's in the casserole dish, you're going to top it with your shredded cheese, more shredded cheese on top. Get yourself a good layer. That was basically about another cup of shredded cheese. If you love cheese, you can add more. If you want to back off on cheese, just add a little less. Next, I'm going to top it with bacon, my favorite. And now we're going to put it in the oven at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just about to pull it out of the oven, but I wanted to remind everybody, next week's video is going to be pretty special. It's my 100th day on the carnivore diet, and I'm going to try to film it in a pretty cool place. And a quick reminder, in the description of this video, I will link a playlist to all of my carnivore videos. So make sure you subscribe. It is time to pull it out of the oven. Oh, it smells so good. Ouch. Don't burn yourself. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh. Here's a little extreme close-up. little sizzle action for you. Can you smell it? How about a little taste test? Time for my favorite part of the video. Oh, this looks good. And it smells pretty amazing. Let it cool. Wow. That is so good. I'll be back. Of course, it'd be very rude of me to continue eating and talking with my mouth full, so I'm going to stop. I'm going to end the video and I'm going to continue eating because it's phenomenal. It is absolutely awesome. For those of you on carnivore not doing dairy, maybe not the best selection, but for those of you doing dairy and everything meat related, unbelievable. You will absolutely love this if you try it. Let me know if you try it. If you have ideas that you want me to film, send me a comment. I'm really good at answering questions. I check my comments every single day. Thank you for watching these videos, for always taking the time out of your busy day to watch me just talk to a camera and eat really good food. So have a blessed day.